guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you guys the ins and outs of your WordPress site. We're going to start off by showing you how to log into your WordPress backend. To get started, you're simply going to go to your WordPress site and then type in /wp-admin. This takes you to the login page. So then you will type in your username and then your password and click login. So now you are in the back end of your website. This is the dashboard. So essentially you can see some of the menu items, pages, posts, company info, media. Pretty simple, pretty easy to use. We'll show you how to navigate that in the next videos.